find out why. Hey, Timon, ever wonder why we... Sneeze? I don't have to wonder. I know. We've got all these teeny tiny volcanoes in our nostrils, and when they erupt, we sneeze. I don't think so, Timon. I think a sneeze is a reflex. And I bet you're gonna tell me all about it, aren't you? Oh, no. I'm gonna show you. You see, a sneeze is a reflex that is triggered when the nerve endings of the mucous membrane inside the nose are irritated. Look, it's a pick for the nose. Get it? Pick, nose. Hey, get me out of here! A sneeze forces air out of your nose real fast to get rid of whatever irritated it. It's not funny, Pumba. And when you have a cold, you sneeze a lot more because that mucous membrane swells up and it's more easily irritated. All sorts of things can make you sneeze, like dust, ragweed pollen. There's even a small percentage of people who sneeze if they suddenly see a bright light. Ever wonder? Find out. Why? Gesundheit.